Hi, this is Lucy Piper, and last time I actually explained you in details what good idea to have for breakfast, and this time I want to tell you actually what I eat for breakfast. So what is my breakfast? I eat nothing, and already for a long time. I follow intermittent fasting. What it is intermittent fasting? If you don't know, so this is a time when you don't eat anything, and we talk about 12 hours. That will be good start for you to do, and it's a time between your last meal, for example, like a dinner time to breakfast. So if your last dinner was at 7 o'clock, you should not eat until breakfast, 7 o'clock. So we talk about 12 hours window. So when I talk about eat nothing, it means eat nothing except water and maybe herbal tea. So it's not like you after dinner and you something, you want like a snack, you want some cookies or a handful nuts. There is nothing. So that's what we talk about, intermittent fasting. So when you start to feel comfortable with 12 hours window, you maybe to remove 14 hours time when you not eat anything except water again. So your dinner may be 7 o'clock and your breakfast will be not earlier than 9 in the morning. And after you maybe move to 16 hours, and first will be 7 dinner and maybe 11 or noon time will be for your first meal. And that's what I'm with the time. I don't eat food for 16 hours. Sometimes I cannot eat for 18 hours. And I tell you why I do this just exactly. So there is at least 2 reasons. First, I went have my blood test result and I find out it was about 8-10 months ago that my blood sugar was a little high, okay? When we talk about a little high, I will tell you exactly number. It was 103. If you watch my in details blood sugar inflammation previous videos, you know that 103 it is a pre-diabetic blood sugar. So when I talked to my doctor and I told, so I have a blood sugar suddenly from seems nowhere go up, and he told me don't pay attention, it's no big deal. So for him it's maybe no big deal. For me, I know it's a pre-diabetic state, and in this case I have to take care of it myself. There is no rely on my doctor. So, and that's what I want to teach you. Know your numbers and start to act as soon as possible until it will be too late to fix it. So this is the one why I start to intermittent fasting. Do you remember, to keep your blood sugar under control, you have to have less carbs and intermittent fasting. So that helped me. You may be not here yet. You will do like maybe 12 hours first, and after move to 14, 16. So we all have a different kind of stage, diet stage where we are. I feel comfortable with this, and I do more than actually 16 hours, and I feel very comfortable without any food. So this is one reason to keep your blood sugar under control. Because remember, when we eat constantly food, breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack, again snack, and again snack, we constantly produce insulin. And with the time we became insulin resistant, blood sugar never go down. It's always high. So, and remember, this is a very, very much inflammatory. Now, another reason why maybe you want to consider intermittent fasting is, think about this, the biggest stress on your body, it's not actually emotional stress, and it's a very, very stressful for your body, but the biggest stress on your body, it's your digestion. Okay, so because you're constantly digesting your food, you just never give a break to your body. And when body like put all resources, all energy on your digestion, there is no resources or energy left, like for immune system, to heal you, to help you to reverse your chronic disease or rheumatoid arthritis in this particular case. So just think about this way, intermediate fasting, at least you maybe want to try 12 hours and maybe don't eat anything for this period time and after add another 2 hours and another 2 hours and see how you feel. So try to experiment. This is Lucy Piper, your RA coach. Again, if you have any questions, please email me. If you like my teaching, subscribe for my YouTube channel.